Children, welcome to this assignment key discussion. Assignment key of class 6 dated on 19th June 2020. The topic is grammar. From grammar, verb forms. Conjugation of the verbs. You know very well, every verb is divided into 4 forms: present tense form, past tense form, past participle, V3 past participle form, and fourth one V4 verb fourth form, present participle. Now here some verbs are given with blanks. You have to fill in the blanks with appropriate verb forms, which is called conjugation of the verb. First one, take. Present tense form, take. Past tense form, took. Past participle, V3 of this is taken, and V4 present participle, taking. Now second one, give. What is past tense of give? Gave. Give, gave. V3 past participle, given. Present participle, giving. Now third one, write. This is base form of the verb. Present tense form, write. Past tense form, wrote. Past participle form, written. Write, wrote, written. Then present participle, writing. So for present participle, every base form takes ing form, ing, ing. Writing. Then fourth one, catch. Base form of the verb is catch. Past tense form is caught. Past participle form is caught, and present participle, catching. Catch, caught, caught, catching. Some students generally go wrong in this one. Past tense, they simply say catched, catch wrong, caught. Catch, caught, caught, catching. Now let us see fifth one, come. Come, present tense form. Came, past tense form. Then what is past participle form? Come. Come, came, come. Then present participle, coming. Now sixth one, do. Do, present tense form. Did, past tense form. Done, V3 past participle. Doing, present participle. Then seventh one, buy. Buy, present tense form. Bought, past tense form. Past participle also, bought, and present participle, buying. Now eighth one, present tense form is blow. The past tense form of blow is blew, and past participle blown, present participle blowing. Now paint. Ninth one, paint, present tense form. Painted, past tense form. Past participle verb third form is painted, and fourth form present participle, painting. Tenth one, draw, present tense form. Drew. Drew, past tense form, and past participle is drawn. So present participle, drawing. So like this we can frame conjugation of the verbs, children. Thank you. All the best.